Hi friends, my name is Debbie and today we're going to be painting these beautiful ceramic bowls. So let's get started. We're going to start off by putting some cadmium yellow, very light on the color. We're using a lot of water, a little bit of paint. Then we're going to be adding a little bit of burnt sienna to the shadow side. And all of the yellow lemons are going to be done with the same technique, same colors. I also added a little bit of the sap green because some of the lemons, they have that greenish color on them, so that's what we added. These are going to be the same techniques for all of the lemons, so we're just using the cadmium yellow, the burnt sienna, and a little bit of sap green. And for the sap green, we're just using the tip of the brush and making some little dots to give some texture to the lemons. And we're just gonna do the same technique to all of them. And for the limes, we're gonna be using the sap green. I just added a little bit more of ultramarine blue to make the green a little bit darker. And this technique is gonna be a lot of blending. I did about 3 layers for the lemons, and it's just adding the color, doing some lifting for the highlight, and applying a little bit more of the same color, and that's gonna give us a little bit more shadow and more vibrant color to the lemons and the limes. And we just go around, add the colors, do some lifting. For the lifting, remember you have to have a clean brush, and you go on top of the paint, remove a little bit of the paint, wipe it off on the paper towel, and just do this a few more times until you see your nice highlight. And remember, the lemons under the other ones are gonna have a little bit of shadow. So for the shadow, I use ultramarine blue mixed with burnt sienna, 50% and 50%, and lots of water. We want a light shadow, and we just added, after we applied the cadmium yellow, we added the shadow to the lemons. And for the bowl, I'm just using straight ultramarine blue. I thought that was the perfect color for it. It looks very similar to the one in the picture, so that's what I did. I just applied the ultramarine, a little bit of water, and we're just making those marks that represent the ceramic bowl. So there's not much to it, just make those lines and keep doing this until you're done with your bowls. For the line marks, remember, they don't have to be perfect. We're just making, it's not a realistic painting, it's very loose and relaxing. So don't stress out if they don't look perfect. If it's a little bit crooked, it's okay. They're gonna be just fine. After we apply the ultramarine blue to all of the lines, we're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna apply the shadow color, which is the ultramarine blue and a little bit of burnt sienna. So 50% ultramarine blue and 50% burnt sienna. And a lot of water because we want a light shadow, we don't want too dark. And we're just gonna apply the shadow to the left side of the bowls because the light source is coming from your right. That's why you see the highlights on the lemon on the right hand side, and the shadow color, you see it on the left hand side. So we're just gonna continue finishing the touches for the bowls, and we're gonna let this dry. So there's not much to tell you about this technique. It's very simple. So I'm just gonna put some music for you, and we're gonna finish the bowls. And remember, every time you apply texture to the lemons, you have to make sure the lemons are dry, and then you can wet the lemon, apply some more yellow on it, and then you can apply a little bit more of the burnt sienna as needed, and also the sap green as needed. Just make sure it's looking kind of like the picture. It doesn't have to be exact like the picture, but very close to it. So every time we are going to apply a new layer, the other layer has to be already dried completely. So I just wanted to tell you that these bowls are from Morocco. They're very representative of the Moroccan culture, and the designs are just crazy amazing. I love them. They're so cute. And when I saw this picture, I said I have to paint these. And they're really nice. Very easy to do. Nothing like crazy details. Very simple. And we just want to make sure we're painting very relaxed, no stress. We're having a good time and enjoy white way of painting. So as you can see right now, I'm adding the shadow color to the bowls, and it's just the ultramarine blue and the burnt sienna. 50%, and we're adding most of the shadow is going to be on the left hand side of the bowls, and we're just blending. Make sure you apply it, have a clean brush, and then blend it. If your blue color moves a little bit, it's okay. You can always go back and clean it with the brush, with a clean brush, and you can also add the ultramarine blue again. Now I'm wetting the background, and you gotta make sure it's nice and wet, and I'm using a very light color of a pink, whatever pink you have. And then I added a little bit of the terracotta color. I put a plastic wrap, make sure it has a lot of wrinkles. We leave it for 20 minutes. Make sure it's dry before you remove it. And now I'm adding some shadows to the lemons, and also shadows for the bowls, and they're gonna be on the left hand side. The shadows will be on the left. And make sure you blend it. We don't want hard edges. Just blend it nice and even. And don't forget this other bowl here, it gets a little bit of shadow too. You can apply a little bit more as needed. Just don't make it too dark. So right now we're doing some final details, a little bit of splatter up and down. Make sure you get some paper to cover the nice ceramics. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.